Hello everyone, this is Rose and today I will be reviewing FleurWee Gel Nail Polish gift box from MelodySusie. Make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. FleurWee Gel Polish comes in a unique gift box design with a gorgeous appearance. In addition to using it to yourself, it can also be given as a gift to your friends and family members who love nail art. Each box comes with 4 different colors of gel polishes plus 1 empty bottle. So my gift bag comes with the shade P03, which is a black color, P14, which is a white color, an empty bottle for the flower, P11, which is the peach color, P29, which is a red color. And there is more, so we're gonna pull up this one and then it say unlock this layer to enjoy the gift of FleurWee. Pull me up. So let's open it up, and it comes with a dry flower for the empty bottle. Wow, this is really inspired by nature because each bottle of MelodySusie FleurWee nail gel polish is a tribute to nature, crafted with traceable raw materials and naturally extracted ingredients. The meticulous process reflects a commitment to environmental sustainability and the beauty of traditional craftsmanship. It has a variety of gel colors to choose from, which is perfect for gifts on all occasions, guys. It also comes with a nail art brushes set. And now I'm gonna try it on my nails. So first, I'm gonna apply base coat and then cure for 60 seconds. The first I want to try is the color P29. It has a curved brush designed for easy application. So I'm applying the first coat. So far is a smooth application. I love how I can control the nail brush. The design goes perfectly to the nail lines. It makes the nail polish application easy and neat. Wow, I am impressed. That was just the first coat. The gel polish has a medium consistency and self-leveling properties to ensure a perfect finish and make the nail surface more breathable. It has a high gloss shine even without the top coat, high saturation, no floating glue, and it dries in 60 seconds. And next I'm gonna try the P11 color, which is a peach color. And I will be also making a very simple nail art. Next is the color P14, which is a white color. Look at the application, it was so easy, very smooth. I will be using a liner brush and a dotting tool. This is the next generation of gel nail polish with MelodySusie FleurWee. It uses an environmentally friendly color paste that is free from harmful chemicals like Hema, HPMA, TPO, heavy metals, and plasticizers. It is designed for eco-conscious user, non-toxic, it is low irritation and more suitable for sensitive skin people. And it can last up to 21 days. So I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use code FleurWee Gel to get 30% off, or you can also use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 8% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. And that's it everyone, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.